Most people don't go broke because of one big mistake. They go broke because of small daily habits that slowly drain their money without them even realizing it. The truth is, your financial life is shaped by the choices you make every single day. Whether it's how you spend, how you save, or even how you think about money, your habits determine your future. And the scary part? Many of the habits that keep people broke are so common, most people don't even question them. But if you want to break free from financial struggle, you need to recognize these habits and replace them with better ones. In this video, I'll share the most common habits that silently keep people broke and how you can break them before it's too late. Habit number 1, spending more than you earn. One of the biggest traps people fall into is spending money they don't have. With credit cards and buy now, pay later apps, it's easier than ever to live beyond your means. At first, it feels like you're enjoying life, but over time, the debt piles up. The wealthy understand a simple truth. If you consistently spend more than you earn, you will always be broke. Instead of keeping up appearances, they live below their means while finding ways to increase income. Breaking this habit starts with brutally honest budgeting. Know exactly how much comes in and how much goes out. If your expenses are greater than your earnings, cut back until you have breathing room. Every dollar you save is a dollar that can be invested and grown. Remember, wealth isn't about what you make, it's about what you keep. Habit number 2, ignoring an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and emergencies always happen when you least expect them. Without a safety net, a single car repair, hospital bill, or job loss can destroy your finances. Too many people wait until disaster strikes, then scramble by borrowing money at high interest. The wealthy protect themselves by building an emergency fund before chasing big investments. Even saving a small amount consistently can build up a cushion over time. This fund prevents panic and gives you options when life throws challenges your way. Breaking this habit means choosing preparation over denial. Start by aiming for even $500, then work your way up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's not about how much you start with, it's about starting it all. Security comes from being prepared, not being lucky. Habit number 3, relying on debt for lifestyle upgrades. Many people fall into the trap of financing their lifestyle. They use credit cards or loans to buy the newest gadgets, vacations, or luxury items they can't afford. This creates the illusion of wealth, but keeps them trapped in debt. Wealthy people borrow money differently. They use debt to buy assets that generate income, not liabilities that drain it. If you constantly finance your lifestyle, you'll always be working for your past choices instead of your future. Breaking this habit means learning to delay gratification and saving up before buying wants. Ask yourself, is this purchase building my net worth or just my image? The truth is, nobody is impressed by your monthly payments. They're impressed by your freedom. The more you finance luxuries, the longer you'll stay broke. Real success comes from owning, not owing. Habit number 4, no budget or money plan. Too many people live paycheck to paycheck with no idea where their money actually goes. They simply spend until the account runs low, then wait for the next payday. This lack of awareness creates constant stress and prevents wealth building. Wealthy people do the opposite. They give every dollar a purpose through budgeting and planning. A budget doesn't mean restriction, it means freedom. Because you're deciding in advance what matters most. Breaking this habit starts with writing down your income, expenses, and savings goals. Even simple apps can make tracking effortless. Once you see where your money flows, you can redirect it toward things that actually matter. Without a plan, money slips through your fingers like water. With a plan, money starts working for you. Habit number 5, chasing instant gratification. Most people are addicted to quick rewards. That extra coffee, fast food meal, or impulse online order feels good for a moment, but the cost adds up. Wealthy people play the long game. They sacrifice a little now to win big later. They know small daily pleasures aren't worth the huge opportunities they can gain by waiting. Breaking this habit doesn't mean never enjoying life. It means practicing discipline. Before buying, ask, will this still matter to me a month from now? A year from now? If the answer is no, it's probably just an impulse. Training yourself to delay gratification builds financial discipline. And discipline compounds into wealth over time. Short-term comfort is expensive. Long-term patience is priceless. Habit number 6, ignoring investing. Far too many people believe saving is enough, but saving alone will never make you wealthy. Inflation silently eats away at your money, making it worth less each year. Wealthy people understand the power of investing. They let their money work for them while they sleep. You don't need thousands to start. Even small amounts invested consistently grow over time thanks to compounding. The biggest mistake isn't losing money, it's not starting at all. Breaking this habit means educating yourself about basic investments like index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts. Take small, safe steps and build confidence. The earlier you start, the easier wealth becomes. If you ignore investing, you guarantee that you'll always be behind. Start today, and your future self will thank you. Habit number 7, not learning about money. Many people spend hours scrolling social media but almost no time learning how money really works. This habit is costly because ignorance leads to bad decisions. Wealthy people are lifelong learners. They read, listen to podcasts, take courses, and surround themselves with knowledge. They know money follows those who understand it. Breaking this habit doesn't mean you need a degree in finance. It means dedicating just 10 minutes a day to learning. Over time, that small habit compounds into life-changing knowledge. Books, YouTube videos, and podcasts are free tools at your fingertips. The more you learn, the more opportunities you'll recognize. Financial ignorance is expensive, but financial literacy pays for itself many times over. The choice to learn or not learn determines where you'll be in 10 years. Habit number 8, hanging around the wrong people. Your environment shapes your financial destiny more than you realize. If you're constantly surrounded by people who spend recklessly, complain about money, or avoid responsibility, you'll likely absorb the same habits. Wealthy people are intentional about who they spend time with. They seek out mentors, peers, and communities that inspire growth and discipline. Breaking this habit means becoming conscious of your influences. You don't have to cut ties with everyone, but you can limit exposure to negativity and increase time with positive influences. Today, you can even join online groups, communities, or masterminds that share your goals. The more you immerse yourself in wealth-minded environments, the faster you'll grow. If you want to change your money, change your circle. Your network shapes your net worth. Habit number 9, believing you'll figure it out later. Procrastination keeps people broke more than bad decisions do. Saying, "I'll start saving later, I'll invest later, I'll plan later," sounds harmless, but time slips away faster than you think. The wealthy understand that time is their greatest asset. Compound interest rewards those who start early. Waiting is the most expensive financial decision you can make. Breaking this habit starts with small, imperfect action today. Even $10 saved or invested is better than waiting for the perfect time. The truth is, the perfect time will never come. By acting now, you give your money more years to grow. Later is the language of regret. Now is the language of wealth. Every day you delay is another day lost forever. Habit number 10, depending on one source of income. Most people rely entirely on a single paycheck, and that's a dangerous game. If that paycheck disappears, so does their entire security. Wealthy people think differently. They diversify income streams through businesses, investments, side hustles, or passive earnings. One stream pays the bills, but multiple streams build freedom. Breaking this habit starts small. Ask yourself, what skill, service, or idea can I turn into extra income? Maybe it's freelancing, selling digital products, or investing in dividend stocks. Even a small second stream gives you more resilience than relying on just one job. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. It's to slowly reduce dependence on one source. Dependence creates vulnerability, but diversification creates freedom. Multiple income streams are the foundation of lasting wealth. These 10 habits may feel normal, but they silently drain your wealth and keep you trapped in the cycle of being broke. The good news is that every habit can be changed, starting with awareness and daily action. Break even a few of these, and your financial future will look completely different.